In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text to images in Google Docs. If you're sharing documents with other people, adding alt text is a simple but important way to make your content more accessible. Alt text or alternative text helps screen readers describe images to people who may not be able to see them clearly. It can also make your document more organized and easier to understand overall. To get started, open your Google Docs file and find the image you want to describe. Once you've located it, click directly on the image to select it. This is an important first step because Google Docs needs to know which image you want to edit before it shows you the accessibility options. When the image is selected, you should see that it's active and ready to be modified. Next, right-click on the image. A menu will appear with several options. In that menu, look for alt text or alt text options. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the version of Google Docs you're using, but both lead you to the same place. Go ahead and select that option to open the alt text settings for the image. Once the alt text window appears, you'll usually see fields for a title and a description. The title is optional, so you can use it if you want to give the image a short label or name. The more important field is the description. This is where you should write a clear explanation of what the image shows. Try to keep the description concise but meaningful. Focus on the important visual details that someone would need in order to understand the image in the context of your document. If the image supports the surrounding text, make sure your description reflects that purpose clearly. After entering your title, if you want one, and your description, the final step is to save your changes. Click OK or Apply, depending on which button appears in your version of Google Docs. Once you do that, your alt text will be attached to the image, and that's it. You've successfully added alt text to an image in Google Docs. This only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference for accessibility and usability. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make your documents clearer and more inclusive.